Step-by-step. How to buy 2026 MLB All-Star Game tickets at Citizens Bank Park. 1. Check official announcements and dates first. All-Star Game, the 14th of July 2026. All-Star Week, July 10-14. 2. Primary purchase routes. Best order. Phillies, MLB official ticket page or team box office first official inventory and package offers. Official ticket marketplaces. SeatGeek is MLB's official marketplace, and Ticketmaster verified resale and verified mobile tickets. Authorized resale platforms, SeatGeek, Ticketmaster, StubHub, if primary inventory is sold out. 3. Timing strategy. Buy early if you need specific seats or VIP packages. Season ticket holder windows limit public supply. If flexible, watch prices. Some resale prices drop in the final week. Set price alerts. 4. Choose ticket type. Single game All-Star Game. Tickets versus multi-event VIP. Packages versus All-Star Week single-day passes. All-Star Village Futures. HR Derby. Compare inclusions and total cost. 5. Seat selection tips. Use interactive seat maps and view from seat tools on marketplaces to confirm sightlines and camera access. Consider shade, sun exposure, and entry gate. 6. Authentication delivery. Only buy mobile MLB authorized tickets or verified resale listings. Prefer platforms with buyer guarantees and secure mobile transfer. Check ticket delivery method, mobile transfer, PDF, will you call. 7. Payment and fees. Expect service, processing fees, compare total price, ticket plus fees plus delivery across sites before checkout. Use a card with purchase protection if possible. 8. Avoid scams. Don't buy from unverified sellers, social media classifieds, or meetups. Verify seller ratings and platform guarantees. Confirmed tickets are transferable and valid for MLB mobile scanning. 9. VIP package considerations. Evaluate VIP perks, hospitality, exclusive entry, merchandise, versus face value resale. Check refund, cancellation policy for packages. 10. Final logistics. After purchase, add tickets to the MLB Ballpark app or the Marketplace app. Screenshot confirmation, confirm entry gate and COVID, policy rules if any, and arrange parking, transit early. Quick checklist before clicking Buy. Verified seller or official source. Total price with fees. Delivery method. Mobile transfer preferred. Seat view and section. Return, refund, transfer policy.